Hi, welcome to my first video. I decided to start with a bang with the unboxing of my new Patek Philippe Calatrava 5196 in yellow gold with an alligator strap. I've owned Breitling, Tudor, Grand Seiko, and many other watch brands over the years. To me, Patek Philippe represents the pinnacle of watch brands, and the Calatrava is the ultimate expression of the dress watch. I had a chance to purchase this watch new at a dealer in New York City, and I availed of this opportunity. When I opened the box, I had this lovely handwritten note from my sales representative at the dealer. It was a very personal note, and I appreciated it. Now to the unboxing. The watch seems to be in a solid wood box with a metal base with the Patek Philippe logo on the clasp. This box is very heavy and it feels really good. Inside, there's a booklet like what you'd probably get on an older Rolls-Royce or Bentley, and I'd know this. When I open it, it seems to have an instruction manual, which I hope is not needed in a manually wound watch, as well as the certificate of origin for the watch, and a booklet on the Patek Philippe Museum, a place I hope to visit once travel restrictions have been lifted. The box has the Calatrava cross on the top, and to be very honest, this adds to the entire experience for me of owning a Patek. There is my watch. The Patek Philippe Calatrava. I'll now try it on my wrist. The watch has an absolutely sublime look, and it fits absolutely perfectly on my wrist. This truly is an amazing dress watch, and the whole presentation, from the handwritten note to that lovely hardwood box to the watch itself, just adds to the mystique of the Patek Philippe brand. Thank you for watching this video. I will have a review of the watch once I get more time on the wrist, some comparisons, and some other lifestyle products I own. Thank you again for watching.